Hey guys, so today I'll be teaching you how to curl your lashes without a lash curler. So for that you need a spoon, then a spoolie brush, and third is just a finger. So the first step is using your finger. So you just have to take your finger and press it on your eyelids, taking your lashes back. Just like I'm doing this. You have to keep it for 7 to 10 seconds and you're done. So second is by using a spoon. You have to use its convex side and you have to place on your lids the way I'm doing here and press my lashes over the spoon. See, I'm placing the spoon, taking my lashes back and just pressing it. You have to do this for 10 to 15 seconds and you are done. See the results. And the third step is using your spoolie brush. You just have to take your lashes back with the help of this spoolie brush, just the way you apply mascara, and you have to hold it for 8 to 10 seconds. You can use castor oil here and it will definitely help you grow your lashes, but if you're wearing makeup, it will ruin your makeup. So this method gives exact same results as lash curler do. So I prefer this, and if you don't have a lash curler or are afraid to do this, so this is definitely going to help you. Now I've applied mascara and you are done. So if you guys like this video, and so please subscribe to my channel and like this video.